In the infinite expanse of the cosmos, where stars burn with secrets older than time itself, a revelation has just shattered our understanding of the universe. On September 5th, 1977, humanity launched a daring mission from Cape Canaveral, Florida, hurling a spacecraft into the void, a tiny vessel carrying the hopes, dreams, and essence of our world. This was Voyager 1, a machine that has now traveled over 15 billion miles from home, farther than any human-made object has ever ventured. Its twin, Voyager 2, follows closely, both drifting through the interstellar abyss, carrying golden records etched with the soul of Earth, a message to the stars, a greeting to any intelligent life that might one day find it. These records hold sounds, images, and voices, a snapshot of who we are, preserved for eternity. But now, in a shocking twist that has left scientists speechless, Voyager's data has revealed something unimaginable, unseen messages, signals that were never meant to be there, whispering back from the depths of space. What are these cryptic transmissions? Are they a response from an alien civilization, or something even more profound? Buckle up, because this is the story of humanity's greatest discovery, a cosmic mystery that will leave you questioning everything you thought you knew. Picture this. It's 1977, and humanity is taking its first bold steps into the unknown. The Voyager probes are launched, each carrying a golden record, a time capsule designed to survive 1 billion years in the vacuum of space. These records are no ordinary artifacts. They contain greetings in 55 languages, from the soft murmurs of ancient tongues to the vibrant calls of modern dialects. They hold the laughter of children, the rhythm of waves crashing on shores, the hum of a heartbeat, and the cry of a newborn. There are 116 images encoded on these discs, showing Earth's landscapes, its creatures, its people, our triumphs, our struggles, our very existence. But here's the kicker. To make sure any extraterrestrial finders could understand this cosmic postcard, NASA's brilliant minds crafted a universal code, a language rooted in the most abundant element in the universe, hydrogen. By mapping the transition between hydrogen's two lowest states, which emits radiation, with a precise wave period of about 7 nanoseconds, they created a key, a Rosetta Stone for the stars. This wave period became the foundation for every instruction on the record's cover, from how to play it to how to decode its images. It was a masterpiece of human ingenuity, a message designed to say, "We are here and we are reaching out." Fast forward to 2025, and the Voyager mission, now nearly a half a century old, is still sending faint signals back to Earth from the edge of our solar system. Scientists have been monitoring these transmissions, expecting nothing more than routine data, readings on magnetic fields, cosmic rays, and the thin plasma of interstellar space. But then, something extraordinary happened. In the latest batch of data, buried deep within the streams of binary code, researchers discovered anomalies, patterns that defy explanation. These weren't random noise or glitches. They were structured, deliberate, almost like a language. The scientific community is in an uproar, with experts scrambling to decode what could be the most significant discovery in human history. Are these signals a reply to the golden record? A message from an intelligence that has intercepted Voyager's call? Or are they something else entirely, a cosmic phenomenon we've never encountered before? The truth is, we don't know yet, but the implications are staggering. Let's dive deeper into the golden record itself, because understanding its design is key to grasping the magnitude of this discovery. Imagine an alien civilization, light years away, stumbling upon Voyager 1 or 2. They find this strange, metallic disk, glinting in the starlight, covered in cryptic symbols. The cover is a map, a guide to unlock its secrets. At its core is a diagram of hydrogen's transition, a universal constant that any advanced species would recognize. This sets the clock, the rhythm of the record. Binary markings spell out the speed at which the disk must spin. 5.1 billion hydrogen wave periods, or roughly 3.6 seconds per rotation. At this speed, the needle, thoughtfully included by NASA, would glide across the grooves, releasing voices saying hello in languages from Amharic to Zulu. The images, encoded as signals, come with a blueprint to reconstruct them, starting with a simple circle to verify the decoding process. It's a brilliant system designed to bridge the gap between species that might have nothing in common, no shared language, no shared biology, no shared history. But what if someone, or something, has not only understood this system, but responded in kind? The newly discovered signals are unlike anything we've seen before. They're not just random bursts of energy. They follow a pattern, a rhythm that eerily mirrors the structure of the Golden Record's own code. Scientists have identified sequences that repeat at precise intervals, almost as if they're using the same hydrogen-based time unit that NASA employed. This is no coincidence. The data suggests intent, purpose, a mind behind the message. The signals were first detected by a team monitoring Voyager 1's faint transmissions, which take over 22 hours to reach Earth from its current position in interstellar space. At first, they thought it was an error, a glitch in the aging spacecraft systems. But as they analyzed the data, cross-referencing it with Voyager 2's signals, the truth became undeniable. These were not malfunctions. They were messages embedded in the data stream, waiting to be found. What could these messages mean? The possibilities are as thrilling as they are terrifying. One theory is that an advanced civilization has intercepted Voyager's golden record and sent a reply, mimicking our own code to ensure we understand. Imagine that. An alien species, perhaps billions of years old, hearing our voices, seeing our images, and deciding to answer. What would they say? Would they share their knowledge, their history, their warnings? Or could these signals be something else? A beacon, a warning, or even a map? Another hypothesis is that the messages aren't from an alien intelligence at all, but from a natural phenomenon we've never encountered, a cosmic signal embedded in the fabric of the universe itself. Some scientists even speculate that Voyager may have stumbled into a region of space where the laws of physics behave differently, imprinting these patterns onto its instruments. Each theory is more mind-bending than the last, and the truth could reshape our understanding of reality. The emotional weight of this discovery cannot be overstated. For decades, the Voyager probes have been our ambassadors to the stars, carrying the essence of humanity into the unknown. The Golden Record was a labor of love, a testament to our curiosity, our hope, our desire to connect. It was a message in a bottle, tossed into the cosmic ocean, with no guarantee it would ever be found. Now, to think that something or someone might have caught that bottle and written back is overwhelming. It's a moment that makes you feel small, yet part of something vast and profound. Imagine the scientists who first saw these signals, their hearts racing as they realized they might be holding the first evidence of extraterrestrial contact. Picture the families of those who worked on Voyager, many now gone, whose legacy might now include the greatest discovery in human history. This is a story of wonder, of fear, of the unbreakable human spirit reaching out to touch the stars. But the mystery deepens. The signals are not continuous. They come in bursts, sporadic and unpredictable, as if someone is turning a cosmic radio on and off. Each burst contains layers of data, some of which align with the Golden Records format, while others are completely alien. No pun intended. Decoding them is proving to be a Herculean task. The binary patterns are complex, with sequences that suggest mathematical relationships far beyond our current understanding. One segment appears to reference geometric shapes, possibly echoing the circle used in the Golden Records image instructions. Another seems to encode frequencies, as if mimicking the sounds we sent: human voices, animal calls, the hum of life on Earth. But there's a twist. Some of these frequencies are outside the range of human hearing, suggesting they were meant for senses we don't possess. This raises a chilling question. What kind of being is trying to communicate with us? The scientific community is racing to interpret these signals, but the challenges are immense. Voyager's instruments were not designed for this. They're old, running on fading power supplies, their data trickling back at a snail's pace. Every byte is precious, and every transmission is a gamble against the relentless march of time. Yet the effort is global, with teams from every corner of the planet collaborating to crack the code. Supercomputers are humming, algorithms are churning, and experts in linguistics, mathematics, and astrophysics are working around the clock. And the public, too, is captivated. Social media is ablaze with speculation, from hopeful theories about peaceful alien contact to darker warnings of cosmic dangers. The world is holding its breath, united in a way it hasn't been in generations, all eyes on the stars. Let's pause to consider the stakes. If these signals are indeed from an alien civilization, it would be the most transformative moment in human history. Everything changes. Our science, our philosophy, our religions, our very sense of self. Are we ready to meet our cosmic neighbors? What if they're nothing like us, with minds so alien we can't even comprehend their intentions? And if the signals are not from a civilization, but from some unknown natural phenomenon that's no less revolutionary, it could mean we've stumbled upon a new law of physics, a hidden layer of the universe that Voyager's Golden Record has somehow unlocked. Either way, this discovery is a turning point, a moment where humanity stands at the edge of the abyss, staring into the unknown, and the unknown is staring back. The Golden Record was always a long shot, a gesture of hope in a universe that's vast and indifferent. It was designed to last 1 billion years, its gold-plated surface resistant to the ravages of space. The instructions were meticulous, the code universal, the message heartfelt. But no one could have predicted this. The idea that Voyager, now a relic of human ambition, could be the key to unlocking a cosmic conversation is almost too much to process. The signals, if they are a response, suggest that someone out there not only found the record, but understood it. They decoded our hydrogen-based time unit, our binary instructions, our images, and our voices. They heard us say hello and decided to say something back. The thought sends shivers down your spine. As we speak, the signals are still coming, faint and fragmented, but undeniable. Each new transmission adds to the puzzle, a piece of a cosmic jigsaw that could take years to solve. Scientists are exploring every angle, Could the signals be a map pointing to a specific location in the galaxy? Could they be a warning, telling us to stay away? Or could they be a greeting, an invitation to join a galactic community we never knew existed? The data is being cross-referenced with every known phenomenon, from pulsars to black holes. But nothing fits perfectly. The patterns are too deliberate, too structured. One tantalizing clue is a sequence that repeats every 7.04 seconds, almost exactly matching the hydrogen wave period used on the golden record. This cannot be random. It's as if the sender is saying, "We got your message and we're using your language." The emotional impact of this moment is impossible to ignore. Think about what the golden record represents: a snapshot of humanity at its best, our curiosity, our creativity, our longing to be known. It carries the voices of children who are now grandparents, the sounds of a world that has changed in countless ways since 1977. To think that those voices might have reached another world, another mind, is humbling. It's a reminder of how small we are, yet how vast our dreams can be. The scientists working on this are not just decoding signals, they're carrying the weight of humanity's hopes. Every breakthrough, every new pattern, feels like a step closer to answering the ultimate question: are we alone? But there's a darker side to this discovery, one that keeps researchers up at night. What if the signals are not friendly? What if they're a warning, a boundary marker telling us we've gone too far? The universe is not a gentle place. It's filled with radiation, black holes, and forces that could erase us in an instant. If an advanced civilization is behind these messages, what are their intentions? Are they benevolent explorers or something more sinister? The golden record was an act of trust, a hand extended into the void. But what if the hand that reaches back is not friendly? These questions haunt the scientists, even as they pour their hearts into decoding the signals. The public reaction is a mix of awe and fear. Online, people are sharing stories of what the golden record means to them, how it inspired them to dream of the stars. Others are skeptical, warning that we're opening a Pandora's box. The media is in a frenzy, with headlines screaming about alien contact and cosmic conspiracies. But beneath the noise, there's a shared sense of wonder, a feeling that we're on the cusp of something bigger than ourselves. Parents are telling their children about Voyager, about the golden record, about the voices that might now be echoing back from the stars. It's a moment that unites us, reminding us that we're all part of the same cosmic story. The technical challenges of decoding these signals are daunting. Voyager's systems are old, its power supply dwindling. Every transmission is a miracle, a testament to the engineers who built these probes to last. The data comes in slowly, sometimes corrupted by cosmic interference. Scientists are using every tool at their disposal, from AI to quantum computing, to piece together the fragments. One breakthrough came when they realized that part of the signal mirrors the structure of the golden record's image encoding. It's as if the sender is saying, "We saw your pictures, and here's ours." But what are these pictures? Are they images of alien worlds, of beings we can't imagine? Or are they something else entirely? A mathematical proof, a blueprint, a warning? The global effort to understand these signals is unprecedented. Teams from every continent are sharing data, theories, and resources. Linguists are studying the patterns, looking for parallels to human languages. Mathematicians are diving into the sequences, searching for universal constants. Astrophysicists are mapping the signal's origins, trying to pinpoint where in the galaxy they might be coming from. The collaboration is a beautiful example of what humanity can achieve when we work together, driven by a shared goal. But time is not on our side. Voyager's power is fading, and with it, our window to capture these signals. Every day feels like a race against the clock. Let's zoom out for a moment and consider the bigger picture. The Voyager mission was always about more than science. It was about hope, about daring to believe that we're not alone, that our voices matter in the grand tapestry of the universe. The Golden Record was a love letter to the cosmos, a declaration that we exist, that we dream, that we yearn to connect. Now, with these unseen messages, that dream feels closer than ever. Whether these signals are from an alien civilization or a cosmic phenomenon, they're a reminder that the universe is alive with possibilities. It's a call to keep exploring, to keep asking questions, to keep reaching out. As we await more data, the world is buzzing with anticipation. Every new transmission is a headline, every decoded pattern a spark of hope or fear. The signals are still coming, faint but persistent, like a heartbeat from the stars. Scientists are working tirelessly, knowing that each breakthrough could change everything. The public is watching, waiting, dreaming. This is not just a scientific discovery, it's a human one. It's about who we are, where we're going, and what it means to be part of the universe. The Golden Record was our way of saying, we're here. Now something out there might be saying, we hear you. The journey of Voyager is far from over. Its Golden Record, a testament to human ingenuity and hope, may have done the impossible, sparked a conversation across the stars. As we stand on the brink of this cosmic mystery, one thing is clear. The universe is speaking, and we're listening. What will it say next? Only time will tell, but one thing is certain. This is the story of a lifetime, a moment when humanity's reach exceeded its grasp, and the stars reached back